Ever wondered how people get those clean cutout photos with no background, even if they're not designers? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the background from any image in Canva using the 2025 interface. It's simpler than you think, and once you know how to do it, you'll use it all the time for thumbnails, presentations, social posts, and product shots. Before you jump in, make sure you're using Canva Pro. The background remover is a pro exclusive feature because it uses Canva's advanced AI tools. If you're still on the free version, you can upgrade or start a trial to follow along. Now, let's get to it. Open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing project. Upload the photo you want to edit or drag it straight onto your canvas. Click on the image once. It should highlight and bring up extra options above your design area. At the top toolbar, find the Edit Image button and click it. A panel of editing tools will appear, and in that list, you'll see BG Remover. Go ahead and select it. Canva's AI will analyze your photo and start separating the subject from the background automatically. It usually takes just a moment, even for detailed images. When the background disappears, take a close look at the edges. If something isn't perfect, maybe a corner of the hair or a bit of the background is still there, you can refine it right away. Canva gives you erase and restore brushes so you can clean up or bring back any part with a few strokes. No complicated tracing needed. Once it looks the way you want, you're free to get creative. You can place the cutout on a new background, add shadows, layer it over graphics, or use it in a completely different design. It's a great way to maintain a consistent style across your projects. Don't forget to save, or at least double check that Canva's autosave caught your changes. It's also smart to keep a copy of both the original image and the version without the background, just in case you want to reuse it later. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove any photo background in Canva 2025 like a pro. If this helped, stick around for more quick guides just like this and let me know what you want to master next. Thanks for watching.